Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Ash and I'm a photographer and content creator. Today I will be doing a quick unboxing of the Godox ML-CD15 Collapsible Diffusion Dome Kit. There are 3 adapters included in the kit. This is the Godox mount adapter, the Godox round head adapter, which works on all round head flashes, and here we have the soft and flexible diffusion dome, which has the rectangle to round adapter already connected. The adapters just slot into place quite easily. It grips on quite firmly, so there is no chance of this falling off during a shoot. You can use the dome in 3 different modes to basically change the softness and hardness of your light. As you can see, this is quite flexible and sturdy, so this is not going to give you any hassles during a photo shoot. And that brings about a quick end to this unboxing. If you want to see more photography related content, please do hit that subscribe button. Until next time, keep creating and see you soon.